Where are you headed?
Hawaii.
What?
Hawaii.
Doors closing.
Hey guys, we're about to land. You can see we have 29 minutes left, so. Oh hey, there you guys are. Well, if you can see, we're in the hotel now. And we're about to go get some food at PCC and maybe see a little bit of the We Are Samoa like school dance competition. So, bye guys.
Yeah, we're here. Sorry we haven't filmed a video in a long time. Seka's been having cancerous lumps in her breast that she had to remove. She's doing fine now, but more on that later. I don't want to, not really ready to talk about it. But she's at home, she's doing fine. We're in Hawaii for the 31st annual Fire Knife competition. And Silhouette is excited to do the women's Siva Afi contest. Aloha. Right now we're gonna go get food. Yeah. Peace out. It is a warm, like 78 degrees, but it's super overcast. It's been raining off and on. But oh, the warm air feels great compared to what we left. And we're excited to walk over to PCC. The hotel we stay in every year here for this, is under construction, but our room's nice and we're happy.
Just making our pizza. Here's the oven. Here's my cookie.
Not a necessarily great place to park, but we want to see the water come up. Silhouette saw some big crabs and she's scared, but she wants to get out and look closer at them. They come up with the water and they land on the little beach here. Don't get too close, you're gonna get wet. There are people that surf here. See, there's surfers. Ain't that a crab right there? Where? Oh, on the top of the thing?
Wait, no, it went away. It like.
Oh, there it is. See it? It's walking. Oh, there are a whole bunch of them. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. I saw that. Ouch. It's slippery as snot right there. We just want to get one good splash that we can run from. I think this is it. Ready? 1, 2. Whee! Yeah, that sucked. There's a surfer way out there. We're just riding. We're going to PCC today and we want to stop and do a little sightseeing. So we're going to get back in our rental car there and keep driving around. And we'll see you guys later. It's pouring rain in Hawaii this fine morning at 7:30 in the morning. Someone's enjoying her sausage McMuffin. So today we're coming to visit the island of Samoa at PCC first. Of course, it's not really open till 1. We're just kind of watching these young guys practice. And we're waiting for the Snack Shack, Samoa Snack Shack, so she can get some musubi. Right, baby? Mm-hmm. So let's go up there and say, I want to try, because it's an all day long activity where they'll teach you stuff. Oh, she's trying.
Is it your first time?
doing a little bit of spinning practice, not too much. She's not doing her routine. She's just doing some double hand spinning.
Like this, 1, 2, 3, aloha!
Aloha! Yeah!
Alright, there you go, buddy. Are you excited for this tour?
Yeah!
Okay, family, seems like only 2 people.
The Silhouette is getting ready. She's got her fire knives and her outfit, and she is headed over to the PCC to meet Jocko and Jess and the kids, because today is the day. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck, sweetie. Just have fun. That's all we care about. All right, we'll film some more later. All right, I'm sitting up in the shade. Silhouette's out there playing with Tupu and Jocko Jr. They're talking to friends. We got some people coming here early in the distance there. They're warming up, and I'm just chilling. The reason why I got a tank top on, but a shirt too with long sleeves. I'll take this off later, but right now I got burned so bad yesterday on my arms that it just stings so bad in the sun, and also on my head because my hair is not super thick. So I got burned, so that's why I'm wearing a cap. But yeah, it's just sit and wait now until it's time to sign in, and for her to pull her number, see what place she'll be competing in. There's 9 women this year in the Women's World Championship. Wish her luck. So we haven't drawn numbers yet. They're not here yet to register the players, but we're walking in the backstage to put all our stuff up.
Yeah, you got a lot of kids, man. Yeah. Good job, you guys.
Just waiting backstage till 4 o'clock. It's like in 4 more minutes, and they go over that table and get their numbers to see where they can register and see where they start at. Yeah, say something.
Hi, I'm with the best.
Nah, she inspires me. I can't wait to watch her on that stage. She's the one.
Hi, Poku did her makeup. Say hi.
No, I need it so I can roll, and then so it goes under. Okay.
Look at that face. That's Cosmopolitan right there.
No, we go Vogue.
Oh, Vogue. Okay.
We're more hip.
Like this Vogue.
Yeah, like Vogue.
So Shani and Loa's mom
I know.
is doing Silhouette's hair.
It's a village.
You can be both my hair. I
Yeah.
don't have this also. My mom, she's sweet.
Yeah, Shane is very tender.
Oh, and Mom did say you better call her before you go out there,
I mean,
so she can say I love you, whatever.
Shut
Did you see me not light it?
Oh, yeah, I saw you. I don't think they score till you light it though. I was like, what is she doing?
And I was about to light it, and I'm like, where's the fire?
Right.
It wasn't supposed to
I only jumped here once. I didn't get pictures. I want pictures.
I can take a picture if you want for your phone. You want to take one?
It's actually a videotape. It's not a thing. Just say hi. Just say hi. Aloha.
Hi.
Thank you.
Announce the winners instead of doing it, so we have to go.
Go. Did you want pancakes or not? They might have
Honey
known.
pancake?
I'll do it afterwards.
Samoa and Washington. Checo. $100, and then third place, $1,000. And also a custom trophy knife carved by a female PCC carver, and also custom art by our very own Cap Tafiti. And for our male division, Afio Maya. Results are in. In third place, second runner, Shante Alayama. In second place, first runner-up, Silhouette Lemana.
down to see Silhouette. So proud of her getting second place at only 14 years old. That's just awesome. Where's my baby girl? I had to give her a kiss. She got $1,500. There's Jocko over there. Give her a hug. Hello. You guys want? So proud of Silo. Look at her smile. She's so happy. So I was telling my wife, I said, I bet she's second. I said, if they announce her home, I just did it. If they don't announce her third, then I'm worried. Who's going to be third? Some boy gave her a gift. I hope that's my money. There you go. Oh, more. Where's she at? Where's that girl at? We gotta fill out this form so she can get paid. See your knife. Huh? See your knife. Whoa, that's heavy. Has your name on it? No. No, but it said it was second place. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Yeah, we seen you last year.
Yeah, that was her first tournament.
I was even shocked that a 13-year-old in a women's division. I mean, that never happened before.
Well, the thing is, we didn't know. Okay, first when I filled out the thing and I didn't know it initially, I thought the intermediate was for boys only.
Yeah.
It's not for women. And then I found out kind of later, then they wrote us and said, excuse me, I think you made a mistake. Your daughter is 12, because when we signed up, she was 12. You know, before, because her birthday is 2 weeks ago. So it was like January, and they said, she's 12. I said, oh, we know she wants to be with the better women. And just, you know, she's not in it to try to win. She's in it to try to learn or whatever. So they said, okay, she can't go back down. You know, once she goes to women, she can't go down. And we're like, it's okay. She's okay. And she loved it. She had more fun last year. And she didn't even get anything. But she just had so much fun.
That's the most important part.
Yeah, for sure.
It's all about how fun you get. It doesn't matter if you win or lose.
Yeah.
The important stuff is that you have fun. Good morning. See you working.
Keep trying. You get better.
Next year.
Thanks, Uso. Appreciate it, David.
Can we get a photo of you and the girls?
Yeah, we expect you guys to be in the women's division next year.
Oh my God.
I'm saying flood the women's division. You know? They have 30-some kids in the intermediate. Just go all the women's, you know?
Even if you win or not, it's an experience and you have so much fun.
Yeah.
And like, you know, you get to bond with everyone. It's amazing. It's worth it. Last year I didn't even win, but like so many people came up to me. And trust me, it'll do the same for you.
Oh, Joker from New Zealand. Did you get a good picture with him yet?
Okay, you have one more thing.
Oh.
So you have to fill if you want to receive the money on direct deposit. Or
No, we don't. Just a check. Just a check.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh, personal check name, it says?
Yeah, you have to fill this one.
Okay, so here, can you do that, sweetie?
Every year.
Yeah, this is the first time we saw your tournament in a tournament. Did you just start too?
Yeah.
Awesome, you did great.
Thank you.
Gosh.
Do you go to school here?
I live on Big Island, so.
Okay, that's awesome.
They pushed you up from the
Are you
No, I actually just.
are you like in high school or how old? Are
I'm
you
a senior, yeah.
senior? Okay, yeah, it should be a freshman next year.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I was the youngest.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Good for you.
Awesome. Yeah, isn't the women's better? Because you're not.
So nice.
It's not 32 people to wait for.
Yeah. It's a nice little group.
That's why I wish all the girls like 12 and over should go to women's.
I think they should.
Just to do it. You know, make the women's bigger.
The juniors last. Were you here last week?
No, because we you know
Yeah.
couldn't afford to stay for 2 weeks.
Of course. We